Running my little 18-inch Poland here, and on the last cut, the darn clutch either got a chunk of wood or something in it, because the clutch is fully engaged now. And in fact, I can run the chain around here. Granted, I'm doing this one-handed. But if I run the chain forward, you can actually hear it's got compression. So I'm going to take this apart, and I hope it's just a little chunk of wood in there. If it ain't, I actually do have a second one of these. Yeah, right back there. And that one runs, runs and everything. Because what happened was I bought two of those when I bought them, and this is the one I always run. Well, these cheap little plastic handles on them, the one on this one, it cracked right across there. So I just went ahead and retired that other one over there and figured it'd be a parts machine. So if the clutch did take a dump on me, then I'll just yank the clutch off that one. But anyway, I'm gonna tear this apart and see what happened. There's what I got the parts machine. You can see right there, that spring snapped off, so the clutch is not disengaging. Oh, sorry. That spring broke right there. So I guess I'll be yanking the clutch off this one and putting the clutch off that other one over there on here. I'd say that one's pretty much pooched. So. Alright, well, let's step back here. It took a little bit of coaxing, because that's probably got, I don't know, 5-6-year-old fuel in it. I dumped out what was in there, added some new, just thought I'd see if it would start up. And like I said, it took a little bit of coaxing. But I think what I'm going to do, instead of messing with the clutch on this thing here, I'm just going to go ahead and clean this one here up, put everything on it. Oh yeah, still got some bad gas in there. Yeah, I'm going to have to run the rest of that bad gas out of it. May even have to adjust a little bit, but hey, sounds a lot easier than trying to figure out how to get that thing off. Later.